Wow, Bitcoin has popped above 30K once again on news of a possible Bitcoin ETF approval. Is this for real this time? Or do you think this is another fake news pump scam? Well, we all know about 5 days ago, there was news by Cointelegraph saying that Bitcoin ETF from BlackRock and iShares has been approved. So Bitcoin popped above 30K and then came straight down. But that was fake news. Now this time Bitcoin's gone above 30K again on no news. And it's because the market is suspecting that this Bitcoin ETF will get approved eventually, like somewhere before January the 10th. And a lot of these predictions of Bitcoin could go to 42K and 56K, somewhere in that range, if it does get approved, because that means a lot of traditional money, Wall Street money, retirement funds, pension funds money could flow into Bitcoin. Is this true? Or is this another fake pump? Now, I'm going to just show you guys a few things to help you make up your mind on if this is real or not. Now, in the last few months, we've seen the US dollar basically go on this crazy run, right? And it's held up at a high place. That usually tends to take down risk assets such as Bitcoin and crypto, right? But Bitcoin has pumped to 30K, even though when the US dollar is up, which means Bitcoin's showing strength. And on top of that, this US $10 yield, if you've been watching my videos, you know how important this is to the market, and it's been rising and rising and rising. That's meant the SP 500 and the NASDAQ has been tanking the last week or so, but Bitcoin still pumped up. So that's again, Bitcoin showing strength. Here we can see this is the QQQ, which is the NASDAQ ETF, right? It's basically gone down for the last 2 weeks because of all the reasons I've said before. And it just goes to show risk assets such as stocks are going down, but Bitcoin is going up when there is no news supporting this move up. And obviously, one more thing, gold has been going up. Well, this one's a little bit complicated because why is gold going up? Because right now, everyone in the market's thinking this is a risk-off environment, which means people are going risk off because they think a major war could break out in the Middle East. And usually when major wars are about to break out, it's not good for stocks and it's not good for Bitcoin. So that's why we saw NASDAQ going down for the last 2 weeks, but Bitcoin's going up. So what I'm trying to say here is that there's a lot of reasons why Bitcoin should go down for the last 5 or so days, but yet Bitcoin pumped up to 30K. That means the market or some whales truly do believe that Bitcoin has a real shot of getting approved. And I think they're right this time, and this move is a real move. The market is basically betting that on January the 1st or beforehand, right, one or many, like say 3 to 5 of these Bitcoin applications, ETF applications, could get approved. Now, about a month ago in late September, I said that Bitcoin should bounce off 24.9K and head to first leg 28K and second leg to 30.4K. And I gave this chart, right, this price fractal as a guide to where I think Bitcoin's going. And that's exactly what's happened. Here is the price fractal I posted saying that's basically the direction of Bitcoin. And we can see that's pretty much very close to what Bitcoin has done. Yes, lately I have been worried about a major war breaking out in the Middle East. And I think that's the only thing that can crash the markets right now. But other than that, I think Bitcoin, this move is real. We could get it pull back to around 28, even 27K. But eventually the ETF is likely to get approved and it'll be a big move up.